Claude Code just released a slash command that could completely change how you build websites. Instead of asking Claude to build a page and then spending 20 prompts fixing the design, you can now design the page first and let Claude build from the design you actually chose. It's called slash design. Let me show you exactly how it works. Normally, when you ask Claude Code to build a landing page, it makes the design decisions for you. The layout, typography, spacing, hierarchy, all of it is decided by the model. And if you don't like the result, you start sending more prompts, make the headline bigger, move this section, change the spacing, try another layout, and suddenly you're describing design instead of actually looking at it. That's the problem slash design is trying to solve. It changes how you communicate with the tool. Instead of building the page immediately, Claude gives you visual design directions first. Let's actually use it. Inside Claude Code, type slash design. Now describe what you want and be specific. The more detail you give, the better the concepts. For example, give me 3 different landing page directions for a local dog grooming business. The goal is to get visitors to book an appointment. Use 5 sections and make each direction distinct. And this is important. Give Claude something to use as a visual reference. This grounds the design. You can provide screenshots or URLs of websites whose design direction you like. You can provide screenshots or URLs of websites whose design direction you like. You can provide screenshots or URLs of websites whose design direction you like. And this is where the workflow gets interesting. You can actually interact with these concepts. You can click into an artboard and actually modify the concept. Change the headline or move an element. Adjust spacing, change colors, or edit properties directly from the design panel. You're effectively becoming the creative director before Claude starts building anything in code. Once you have a direction you like, save it. Remember the name of the artboard you selected. Then go back to Claude Code and tell Claude which design you want to use. And this is the powerful part. Claude Code can now use that selected design as the starting point. So instead of saying, Claude, make the header a little bigger, you're saying, build this. Always compare the final result with the design you selected to ensure quality. So when should you use slash design inside Claude Code instead of the standalone design app? First, your project stays with your code base, everything is contained in your local workspace. If you're already building a real application in Claude Code, you don't have to move the design. Second, you're already in the environment where the code is going to be built. The handoff is instant. A poster, social graphic, or other standalone visual. The Claude Design app may be the better choice. A real website or application, slash design inside Claude Code makes a lot of sense. A poster, social graphic, or other standalone visual. The Claude Design app may be the better choice. If you want to get better results from slash design, remember these 3 simple rules. Number 1, ask for at least 3 different directions to explore the design space. Number 2, tell Claude who the page is for and what it needs to accomplish with clear references. And number 3, treat the artboard as a starting point, not the finished product. Always compare the final result with the design you selected to ensure quality. If you're building websites or apps with AI/design is definitely a feature worth testing. For more AI workflows, subscribe. And comment design if you want a deeper walkthrough. See you next time.